What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. So what we got going on today is I'm gonna be cleaning my idle air control valve, this thing right here. So I'm gonna take it off. It's held on by two 10mm bolts, and then the motor has like a T20 Torx screw or not. So we're gonna get that out today. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully everything goes good. I'm gonna clean it out to help if there's any gunk in there or anything kind of nasty stuff in there, to clean it out so it can run better on idle, because that's what's the problem. That's a problem that could be causing it for it to be bogging all weird during idle, because it does do it. So hopefully this fixes it, but we'll see. Some coolant might spill, but oh well. Oh, there's another one right there. Alright, so that is pretty dirty. So gonna take these off right here. These little screws right there. See what size it is. So this is the motor right here. Take that off. So I can't seem to get off the bolts that are right here. I had to go to the store and buy some, but I really don't feel like it, so I'm gonna take those off later. But for now, I'm still gonna clean that. So I can't seem to get off the inside right here. You can see it's black, like that's black, like nasty black. So it's gonna be the best I can do. As you can see, did clean it out, not too bad. Right here in this one, there's still, you can still see some dirt down there, right there. This one got cleaned out pretty good. It's better to have the motor off, but like I said, I can't find this I don't have one right now. I have to go to the store and buy one, so we're gonna put this back together. Hopefully it runs a little better, but we'll definitely see how it does just by doing that right there. We'll see right now though. So I'm gonna rev this to 3,000 RPMs till the car gets to temperatures. You can hear the popping. Okay, so there we are warmed up. So it didn't look like it dropped down below 800 RPM. So right now, I'm gonna let it run for 5 minutes, and then, because it's gonna relearn, the ECU is learning how to idle the car properly. So I'll let it run for 5 minutes, and hopefully it's good. Hopefully this helps it out. We'll see. I'll let you guys know. So I'm still hearing the bogging noises. It's coming to be like more like coming out. It's like bogging from the exhaust. So you guys hear the little backfires. So it's more likely like a fuel air problem. So hence that's why I'm cleaning these. I did add an additive to the gas to clean out the injectors just in case, but it's still doing it. We'll have to wait a couple days. As you guys, I don't know if you guys saw, I started out with more gas than I had. Look at this now. This was like 2 bars up. It was like right here, and I went down. So there's definitely something going on with the gas, I'm assuming. Just not exactly not sure what it is yet, or what like what's going on fully. So I'm gonna drive it, see what's up, and then the car looking a little greasy, but the car seems to be running fine. Doing the idle relearn position helped out, even with the, because I was staying at 2,000 RPMs when I would decel. When I would decel, it would hold 2,000 RPM. So doing that relearn procedure helped out, which I disconnect the battery, make sure radio's turned off, lights, anything connected to the battery. For instance, I have my compressor and my stereo system, disconnect those from the battery, connect it back, turn it on, keep the RPMs around 3,000, hold it till it gets to good running normal running temperatures. Let go of it, let it sit for 5 minutes, give it a couple revs, make sure it doesn't drop below 800 RPMs, and then drive it. If a light comes on, one of your power steering lights or one of the lights, drive it, it should come off. It's normal. But I drove it right now, it's driving fine, except as for you guys can hear the popping. It's like popping from the exhaust because of there's something going on with the gas or some, I'm not sure, I can't really say, or the air, but I have to figure it out. You guys can hear it as you guys heard it in the clip, but anyways, showing you what to do, I guess, to clean out your idle air control valve. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, peace out, see you in the next one.